तो चलिए अब हम इसे लिखते हैं 90 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। Bollywood is the sobriquet for India's Hindi language film industry. Stop. It is based in the city of Mumbai, Maharashtra. Stop. It is more formally referred to as Hindi cinema. Stop. The term Bollywood is often used by non-Indians to refer to the whole of Indian cinema. However, Bollywood is only a part of the larger Indian film industry, which includes other production centers producing films in many other Indian languages. Stop. When I hear India, the first thing that comes to my mind is a land where movies are worshipped. Stop. India is home to the industry of Hindi films, which is popularly known as Bollywood. Stop. Bollywood movies address Hindi identities and their social and political concerns. Stop. Hindi cinema has a great deal of influence to interact its audience to the hegemonic values at large in India. Stop. Bollywood is the second largest film industry, widely known for its form of creative art. Stop. It is a form of art with the ability to entertain, educate, reflect, and shape our sense of who we are and our understanding of the society in which we live in. Stop. In Hindi films, there exists the hero and heroine. However, gender hierarchy can be seen and importance is imposed on the male actor. Stop. One would agree that Bollywood is male centric with limited space for females to be versatile in the character they play. Stop. The roles played by heroine are based on the same guidelines seen within the Indian society. Stop. Indian society is an influence to Bollywood and it defines the roles played by females in films. Stop. Portrayal of the woman in Hindi films has been stable in correspondence to the norms and values contained by the Indian society. Stop. If image of the woman in cinema is submissive or secondary, it is the society who is responsible for it. Stop. Filmmakers make the movies keeping in mind the commercial aspect of films and highlight what exists in the society. Stop. India is known to be a hierarchical society, whether it is religion or region. Stop. Within gender hierarchy, a man outranks a woman of the same or similar age. Stop. This same concept is taken into the Bollywood where more emphasis is created on the male actor. Stop. From the beginning of the film process, importance is on the male. Stop. For example, within the internal aspects of film process, the second step is acquisition of leading male role, then followed by female acquisitions. Stop. However, females are a priority in films, but their roles are portrayed according to situation of Indian society. Stop. Bollywood movies and their stars are gaining grounds everywhere. Stop. Bollywood movies are being watched and Bollywood stars are creating the kind of madness in America, Europe, Australia, Persian Gulf and other parts of Asia as well. Stop. Earlier, this was associated with only Hollywood stars. Stop. India produces more than 1,000 films annually in over 20 languages. Stop. Various states in India produce films in regional languages, but they have a limited market within the state due to linguistic limitations. Stop. Bollywood movies enjoy the national and international market because they are made in Hindi. Stop. In 1995, Bombay was rebranded as Mumbai. Stop. Mumbai is a city of extreme contradictions. Stop. The rich live side by side with the poor. Slums dot the entrance to some of world's most expensive real estate, and crime and corruption run side by side with extreme religion devotion. Stop. Bollywood provides affordable entertainment for all. Stop. It cuts across age, race, gender, and social status. Stop. The movies are packed with love affairs, dance, song, violent action, suspense, horror, thriller, crime, sports, and family values. Stop. Movie songs can be heard in ringtones, radios, in shops, televisions, in homes, and passing cars. Stop. During festive seasons, wedding parties, or political rallies, loudspeakers infuse the air with popular Bollywood songs. Stop. By revenue, Bollywood is the largest film producer in India. Stop. It represents 43% of the box office, while Tamil and Telugu cinema represent 36%, and the rest of the regional cinema constitutes 21%. Stop. Bollywood is also one of the largest centers of film production in the world. Stop. So many new actors and actresses try their luck to get the chance in any movie, advertisement, short movie, web series, serial, etc. Stop. They come from all parts of India. Stop. However, some of them get success and others take back home the dark experience of this cinema. Stop. It is difficult to survive for beginner, and even it is difficult for a hero or heroine who gets success, because if he or she do not get any work due to long break, then anyhow he or she has to maintain his or her lifestyle in such a way that they do not get their image down in the film society. Stop. Every field is full of pros and cons. Stop. Bollywood and politics are the two fields where a person can become rich in the fastest way. Stop.